starts to get super sudsy, it doesn't. What do you say, Jackson? You're popping them? Oh, those started doing loops. Ooh, those are just coming at me. Jackson, can you run through the sprinkler? Go run through the water. Are you just going to stand in the water? Whoa! Go pop the one that's in the water.
It went right through the water. That's cool.
Whoa, those are doing good loops. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What are those, Jackson? Bubbles. Are they cool? What are the bubbles doing? They're flying. Hey Jackson, what is this in our garden? What's in there? Huh? A plant? What is it growing? Do you remember what it's called? This one?
Yeah.
What is it?
Cucumber.
A cucumber. Yeah, cucumber.
Squash.
What's this one?
Squash.
Squash? Ooh, there's a big one. Is there another one?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Right here.
Where?
Right here. Help.
Oh, no, that's a little one. Keep going down. Where's the big one? Is it right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's the other one. And then what are these right here?
A blackberry.
Blackberries. But they're not ready yet. You run in the water? You want some? Wow. Whoa. Don't pick them. Leave them alone. They're not ready.
Hey, hey,
Ah, 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 ah.